In this problem, we'll factor a polynomial. We'll factor the polynomial x to the fourth plus 2x cubed minus 3x minus 6. We first check to see if there are any common factors, and there are not, and then we count the number of terms. Since there are 4 terms, we will try to factor using factoring by grouping. To factor by grouping, I will group the first 2 terms and factor out a common factor, which is x cubed. So I write x cubed times x plus 2. And then I look at the next 2 terms, and I could factor out a 3, but since I want to end up with x plus 2 as my binomial factor, I'm going to factor out a negative 3. So I write minus 3, and when I factor out a negative 3, I get x. That gives me my negative 3x plus 2. That will give me the product of negative 6. Now I have a common binomial factor of x plus 2, and I write that x plus 2 times the x cubed from here minus 3. I check to see if either of the binomial terms, either binomial, can be factored further, and I see that neither one can, so I have factored completely.